You know that feeling when you're lying in bed at 11 p.m., scrolling through your phone, and suddenly it hits you? That assignment is due tomorrow. That project you've been putting off for weeks. That text you never replied to. And you think to yourself, where did all my time go? Yeah, I've been there. We've all been there. But here's the truth nobody tells you. You actually do have time. You're just spending it in places you don't even realize. Now let me paint a picture of my life 6 months ago. I'd wake up with big plans. I tell myself, today I'm going to crush it. Then I check Instagram for just 5 minutes and somehow an hour disappears. I'd start working, then remember I needed to reply to a message. Then I get hungry, then I watch one quick video. By the end of the day, I'd feel exhausted but also guilty because I barely got anything done. Sound familiar? The problem isn't that we don't have time. The problem is we're trying to do everything without a plan. It's like trying to build furniture without instructions. You've got all the pieces, but you're just hoping it will magically come together. Spoiler alert, it won't. So here's what changed everything for me. 3 simple shifts. First, time blocking, but make it realistic. I stopped making perfect schedules that I'd never follow. Instead, I blocked out my day in chunks based on my actual energy levels. Morning, that's deep work time. The hard stuff, the creative stuff. Afternoon, when I'm dragging, admin tasks, emails, easy wins. Evening, guilt-free rest. No more I should be productive right now at 10 p.m. Second, the 2-minute rule. If something takes less than 2 minutes, I do it immediately. Reply that text, put the dishes away, send that email. Because here's what happens when you don't. Those tiny tasks pile up in your brain like unopened browser tabs, draining your mental energy all day long. Third, protect your time like it's money, because it is more valuable than money. I started saying no to things that didn't align with my goals. That random coffee chat, maybe next month. That meeting that could have been an email, declined. Scrolling for just a few minutes, phone goes in another room. It felt selfish at first, but then I realized when you protect your time, you show up better for the things that actually matter.
Look, I'm not going to stand here and pretend I've got it all figured out. Some days I still waste hours. I still procrastinate. I still fall into the scroll hole. But the difference now, I don't beat myself up about it. Because productivity isn't about being perfect. It's about being intentional. You don't need to do everything. You just need to do the right things. So here's my challenge for you. Pick one thing from this video. Just one. Maybe it's time blocking your morning. Maybe it's the 2-minute rule. Maybe it's just putting your phone in another room for an hour. Try it for 1 week, and I promise you, you'll start to see time you didn't even know you had. Because you've always had enough time. You just needed to know where to look. Now go reclaim your day. What's your biggest time management struggle? Drop it in the comments, and if this helped, hit that subscribe button. More real talk coming soon.